tactics, tricks, hunting tips.
Over the past few decades, coyotes have become one of the fastest-growing predator species across North America. From the dry plains and deserts of the American West, they have spread across almost the entire continent, from Alaska to Florida, from Canada's snowy peaks to the crowded neighborhoods of Los Angeles. Today, an estimated 7 to 10 coyotes roam across the United States and Canada, a population that has increased by more than 40% in just the past 2 decades. What amazes scientists is not only their reproduction rate, but their remarkable adaptability. This wild predator can survive and even thrive right in the heart of modern cities. In the past, coyotes lived only in the remote western regions of the US. But as larger predators such as gray wolves and mountain lions were nearly wiped out by humans, coyotes stepped in to fill the vacant niche in the food chain. They didn't stop there, migrating eastward through the Midwest and creeping into urban areas. In California, hundreds of coyotes have been spotted around Napa Valley, Los Angeles, and San Diego, and even in New York's Central Park. The reason is simple. Food is never in short supply. Household garbage, small pets, and even urban gardens have become open buffets. Coyotes can live off almost anything, from mice, squirrels, and snakes to fruit, carrion, or leftover food. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, coyotes cause tens of millions of dollars in livestock losses each year. In 2015 alone, 53.1% of calf deaths from predators were attributed to coyotes. In California, thousands of sheep, calves, goats, and poultry are attacked each year. These incidents not only bring financial losses, but also instill fear among farmers, as the haunting howls in the night often signal another night of loss. Even in residential areas, coyotes pose growing concerns. They rummage through trash cans, stalk cats and small dogs, and occasionally threaten children in backyards. The human-coyote conflict has become a serious challenge for urban wildlife management. For many hunters in California, hunting coyotes is more than a hobby. It's part of their duty to protect the community. Hunts usually begin at dawn. When coyotes leave their dens to hunt, hunters may wait for hours, watching every rustle of the wind, every faint sound in the brush. A single noise or a glint off a scope can make the target vanish like a ghost. Professional hunters rely on modern technology, using electronic collars that mimic distress sounds to lure coyotes. Rifles like the .223 Remington or 222-250, equipped with 3 to 9 x 40 scopes, allow precision shots beyond 200 yards. Yet marksmanship is only part of the game. Patience and an understanding of coyote behavior matter more. Coyotes are incredibly intelligent. When they hear the sound of a rabbit in distress or a mouse squeal, they rarely rush straight in. They circle downwind, sniffing for danger before approaching. One small mistake, and the hunt is over. As night falls, coyotes reclaim their role as nature's master hunters. Under the moonlight, they move silently across fields, woods, and deserts, almost without a sound. At this point, hunters turn to modern tools, night vision scopes, and thermal optics. In the silent darkness, even the faint glow of eyes in the distance can send adrenaline surging. precise pull of the trigger within seconds. That's the thin line between success and failure. Miss the shot, and the coyote learns, adapts, and never falls for the same trick again. Not everyone views coyotes as villains. Conservationists point out that they help control rodent populations, pests that destroy crops. Some farming regions even report reduced crop damage thanks to coyotes. However, when their population grows too fast, nature's balance tips. Ironically, heavy hunting often causes them to breed more. Research from the University of Utah shows that in heavily hunted areas, coyotes increase their litter size as a survival response. Experts therefore recommend that instead of uncontrolled hunting, communities should combine broader strategies: public education, waste management, guard dogs, and natural buffer zones between human settlements and wildlife. The story of coyotes in California and across America is not merely about humans versus predators. It's a lesson in how we choose to coexist with nature. Coyotes are not symbols of destruction. They are proof of nature's resilience and adaptability. Yet for that very reason, humans must learn to live alongside them, not seek to wipe them out.